Gold against US dollar. This week has a rise in value, then back down. We can see how the week has started. The week started with this bullish candle forming a small bullish breakout above this price level and continued to rise in value on a Tuesday. But then the price entered in the area where the price could not make a clean movement further on, which was expected. But the price formed this bearish engulfing candle where the candle has encompassed all two candles before that, but the price could not go below very important 2502, a price level. Everything was shared inside the Telegram group with the traders that are trading and receiving the daily updates. Then on a Thursday, the price has bounced back up, could not go above 2524, a resistance level, and then on a Friday the price formed again bearish candle where the price has gone all the way to 2503.18, but not below 2502, which is a very important support level. The week has closed as a small indecision candle with a small body, with a wick on the upper side and a small on the lower side, which means indecision on the candle on the market. But what it is very important it is that the price is closed below this close price and below this open price of this candle, which means a bearish momentum that is preventing the price from reaching higher price levels. Now demand has closed as a bullish breakout about 2450.58, and this one 2450.58 is very important support level. We can see that it will be very hard for the price to make a breakout. Now what could happen is that after the price has formed this bullish breakout, that the price returns back down to around 2450.58 and then bounces back up. We can see this is a pretty strong bullish momentum right here on the gold, so it is expected that the price will continue to rise in value in the next month. But we can see 2450.58 is very important support level. It will hold, but it depends for how long. Will the price continue to fall down this month? Depends on the smaller time frames, because currently how the market looks, it looks bullish, but with a strong selling pressure around this price level right here, and also especially it will be around this one here. The daily time frame shows much more clear information because we can see how the price behaves during the week and also during the day around these price levels. On the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame are intraday analysis, which I shared today with the traders inside the Telegram group on the daily basis for several times, and inside we can see much more clear information, and it's also the picture how the price behaves around these price levels. We can see that on the 4-hour time frame. We can see how the price is respecting this support and the resistance levels. So this is something that is shared also inside the Telegram group with the traders, where the price could stop and could move in the next direction. Now when the breakout happens, this is also announced inside the Telegram group with the traders, but for now what is expected, it is expected to wait for the price to move outside of this area, which is a range area, to make a clean breakout. Like in this example, will the price go down or will the price continue to rise in value to next resistance, which is 2550.00. Now if you would like also to check the details what happens during the day from Monday to Friday, you can also check the Telegram link, will be below in the description, so you can also join with the traders to get the daily updates on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame when a breakout happens and what is the target. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.